Hi, and welcome back to Brianna's Secret Club. Today we're going to teach you how to make your own DIY squishy phone cases.
Brianna's Secret Club.
Here's the supplies we need. Paintbrushes, acrylic paint,
Sewing kit.
and iPhone case, and little squishies. First we have to draw a picture on the paper. Now we're going to paint the cases with acrylic paint. Great! We finished the first one. Let's move on to the second one.
So I just finished painting both of these, and they turned out pretty colorful with the acrylic paint. And now we're gonna add the squishies.
Yeah, the tiny squishies. I'm gonna put mine right here.
Yeah, I think we'll put the pig right like that.
In the mud.
In the mud. Pig's gonna go in the mud. But you can't glue these, right?
Yeah, you can't glue them or else it will just fall off.
So how are we gonna do it?
We're gonna sew it.
Yeah, we're gonna sew it. So we're gonna use a sewing kit to go through the case and put the needle through the squishy and then tie it on the back.
Yeah. it on a real phone right here. But this one, not yet.
Yeah.
Because
I'm filming with the other regular iPhone.
yeah. And I really like this one. It's really like
Squishy.
yeah.
Like the pig.
My mom likes the pig. And my mom said she's really cute. She likes the pig. I like the pig too. Which one do you like? Comment down below. Don't forget to like and share this video.
And subscribe.
Yeah. Anyway, bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, click the like button. And if you want to help me out, click my face right here to subscribe.